Ronald Balboa. I'm a respiratory therapist. First of all, I would like to promote Modi because it really helps my family to save money. So before I'm spending $160 per month for my cable and internet. Now, very less. My family enjoys a lot, so much, and now I'm paying only $99 per month. So really, Modi is really the best.
I'm Johnny Flores. I joined the Modi because I found it that I am going to have a lot of savings after having a Modi box. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Noel Castillo. I joined Modi because this is the business opportunity.
Hi, my name is Mary, and you can call me Rose. I really enjoy my Modi and my family really loves it. I hope you could have one soon. It's really great. Awesome. Thank you. Hi, I'm Delia. This is my team, and we are enjoying our Modi. And the first thing is that we can help people to save money, and you earn money as well. Thank you.
I'm Kelvin, and I just joined Modi last June, and I really enjoyed my Modi. I love the team, and I'm glad to be here.
I'm Jocelyn. I'm with Modi right now. I joined this team because I think there's a future in it.
My name is Thelma. I signed up with Modi because I know I save money and at the same time I earn extra income.
Like all of us, we will be there. We will be like that or more than that.